Hello, in this tutorial we are going to tackle the concept of conditional rendering. It's a technique that's essential for creating responsive user interfaces that adapt to different states and user inputs. With conditional rendering, you can control what gets displayed and when, making your app's user experience smooth and intuitive. So let's dive into the dynamic world of conditional rendering. So we can pass a parameter from here and we can decide whether we have to show this or not. We can add a condition to that. Okay, let me add a variable and pass it show count. I don't want to show the count on this one. Check our props. These are okay. False, false. We can add a if condition here. We will take this to a variable. It's easy to understand. If this is true, we have to show the count. Otherwise, we are not gonna show that. Let me do another quick one. So this is very straightforward thing. If the count is 0, we are not gonna show that. If we make this 0, we can't see anything. In React Native, we have multiple ways to handle or tackle conditional rendering. We'll talk about that in the future tutorials.